1. Blank, 3 languages. French, Spanish, and English. A. I'm speak. B. I'm speaking. C. I speaking. D. I speak.
One. I speak 3 languages. French, Spanish, and English. Answer D. I speak. Explanation: I speak is the correct form here because it is a simple present tense statement describing a general fact or ability.
2. Where, blank, from. A. Hans come. B. Does Hans come? C. Does Hans coming? D. Hans came.
Two. Where does Hans come from? Answer: B. Does Hans come? Explanation: this is a question in the present simple tense. We use does to form questions in the present simple tense for third-person singular subjects.
3. What, blank, tonight? A. Do you do? B. You do. C. Are you doing? D. Did you do?
Three. What are you doing tonight? Answer: C. Are you doing? Explanation: this is a question about plans or arrangements, which we typically ask using the present continuous tense.
4. Where is George? He, blank, a shower. A. Has. B. Will have. C. Is having. D. Have.
Four. Where is George? He is having a shower. C. Is having. This describes an action that is happening right now, so we use the present continuous tense.
5. What, blank? I don't know. Look it up. A. Does this word mean? B. Means this word. C. Does mean this word. D. Is meaning this word.
5. What does this word mean? I don't know. Look it up. Answer: A. Does this word mean? Explanation: this is a question about the meaning of a word, and it uses the present simple tense with does for the third-person singular subject, this word.
6. Do you want a cigarette? No, thanks. I, blank. A. No smoke. B. Smoke not. C. I'm not smoking. D. Don't smoke.
6. Do you want a cigarette? No thanks, I don't smoke. Answer: D. Don't smoke. Don't smoke is the negative form of the present simple tense, used to describe a habitual action.
7. Last year I, blank, to America. A. Was go. B. Go. C. Was going. D. Went.
7. Last year I went to America. Answer: went. Explanation: went is the past simple form of go, used to describe an action that happened at a specific time in the past.
8. How long, blank, in America? A. You stay. B. Did you stay? C. Stayed you. D. You staying.
8. How long did you stay in America? Answer: did you stay? Did you stay is the correct past simple question form used to inquire about the duration of a past action.
9. The weekend was boring. I, blank, anything. A. Don't do. B. No do. C. Didn't do. D. Wasn't doing.
Nine. The weekend was boring. I didn't do anything. Answer C. Didn't do. Explanation. Didn't do is the correct negative form of the past simple tense, indicating that no actions were performed.
10. I'm going to university next year. What, blank, study? A. You going to? B. Do you? C. Did you? D. Are you going to?
Ten. I'm going to university next year. What are you going to study? Answer. D. You going to? Explanation. Are you going to study is the correct future tense question form, asking about plans or intentions for the future.
Questions 11 to 16. Complete the text by filling the gaps. 11. A. Lived. B. Lives. C. Was living. D. Live.
Enrique 11 in Puebla, a town in Mexico. Explanation. Lives is in the present simple tense, which is used for habitual actions or facts.
A. Studied. B. Was studying. C. Is studying. D. Doesn't study. He 12 medicine because he 13 to be a doctor. Answer C is studying. Is studying is in the present continuous tense, which is used for actions happening now or around the current time. 13. A. Is wanting. B. Was wanting. C. Will want. D. Wants.
13 because he 13 to be a doctor. Answer. Explanation. Wants is in the present simple tense, expressing a general desire or goal.
14. A. Has. B. Have. C. Doesn't have. D. Is going to have.
14. He's married, but he 14 any children. Answer. C. Doesn't have. Doesn't have is the negative form of the present simple tense, indicating a lack of children.
15. A. Was teaching. B. Teaches. C. Teach. D. Thought.
15. His wife Sylvia, teen in a primary school. Answer. Teaches. Explanation. Teaches is in the present simple tense, indicating a regular job or profession.
16. A. Loved. B. Used to love. C. Loves. D. Love.
16. Enrique 16 cooking. Answer. C. Loves. Loves is in the present simple tense, expressing a general preference or enjoyment.
17. At the weekend, I usually, blank, go swimming. A. Am. B. None is correct. C. Was. D. Want.
"17. At the weekend, I usually go swimming." Answer B. None is correct. The sentence needs the correct adverb usually with the base form of the verb go. I usually go swimming is the correct form.
18. Are you, blank, the party? A. Enjoy. B. Enjoyed. C. Enjoying. D. Enjoys.
Are you the party? C. Enjoying. Explanation. Enjoying is in the present continuous tense, used to ask about someone's current experience.
19. How many sisters, blank? A. Do you have? B. You have. C. Are you have. D. Do you has.
"19. How many sisters?" Answer. A. Do you have? Do you have is the correct form for asking about possession in the present simple tense.
20. I, blank, understand what you are saying. A. No. B. Don't. C. I'm not. D. Didn't.
20. I understand what you are saying. Don't. Explanation. Don't is the negative form of the present simple tense, indicating a lack of understanding.
21. What time, blank, home last night? A. Did you get? B. You get. C. Do you get? D. Did you got?
21. What time home last night? Answer. Did you get? Did you get is the correct past simple question form, asking about a specific time in the past.
22. Last weekend I, blank, some friends and we, blank, a meal. A. See, having. B. Saw, have. C. Seeing, had. D. Saw, had.
22. Last weekend I some friends and we a meal. Answer. D. Saw, had. Saw and had are in the past simple tense, describing actions completed in the past.
23. I, blank, English food. It's wonderful. A. Am loving. B. Loved. C. Love. D. Loves.
23. I, English food. It's wonderful. C. Explanation. Love is in the present simple tense, expressing a general liking.
24. Pierre is French. He, blank, from Toulouse. A. Is coming. B. Came. C. Come. D. Comes.
24. Pierre is French. He, from Toulouse. Comes. Comes is in the present simple tense, stating a fact about Pierre's origin.
25. Blank, the computer at the moment. A. Does Mr. Taylor use? B. Is Mr. Taylor using? C. Did Mr. Taylor use? D. Will Mr. Taylor use?
(25) The computer at the moment. Answer B. Is Mr. Taylor using is Mr. Taylor using is in the present continuous tense, asking about an action happening now.